In this lecture, I'm going to talk about how to create icon or favicon for the web page or application programs. My name is Eric Chow. There are 3 steps that we need to perform to get a good icon file. First, you need to get the logo file. It should be an image file. The PNG file will be preferred because the PNG file has the transparency channel, but JPEG file or some other file format doesn't have that. Step 2, we need to convert the .png file to proper image size using Inkscape. Step 3, we need to convert the .png file to the icon file, .ico file, or 16 by 16 favicon file, that's also .ico file, using icon editors. Now, let's go to the step 1. The easier way to find a good icon image is to search through the internet. For example, I use the Google search engine, type in programming languages logo PNG file, and it will show up. I search the category images, and I scroll down, try to find a square image that suits the purpose. But be careful, don't violate other people's copyright. I just show this for the demo purpose. I'm not going to use it. Right here, I spot one square one, 300 by 300. That's a good choice. Let me click it. And this square pattern shows that this is a good PNG file. So I will right click and save picture as to my local directory, and I will save it. And that's a PNG file. Make sure don't violate other people's copyright when you use it. I'm going to delete it after I finish this demo. So I finished the download. And let's return to the slides. Now I'm going to talk about the step 2. Convert the image to the proper size. First, we are going to use the Inkscape for this purpose. You need to set up the document property. You click document property, and for the size you need to set to icon 48 by 48. That is the largest icon supported by Inkscape. So we set up this. Background, make it transparent. Border is fine. Now, we are going to import the image in. Choose embedded. The file is way bigger. Let me make it smaller. Now, let me resume. Let me change the size to a proper size to fit into our frame. Still bigger. Let me put a little bit smaller. Put it here. Now we check the boundary. To check the boundary, you check the upper right corner and bottom left corner, or these two corners. Let me zoom in on this one. And we need to have grid. So view, grid, we have grid. Now I just move this point to match on this point. And then I zoom out, come to this corner. And then move here, sorry. I make a mistake, use Ctrl Z. And then move this point to match it and zoom out. So now it's well matched into the 48 by 48 grid. Let's generate the image file. Click File, Export Bitmap, and select Page. The bitmap file needs to be 48 instead of 38. Now, I would like to export it, so I need to choose a file to export to. So select your project directory. And right here, let me put an image directory right here. Click it. And let me try to use PL for programming language and PNG file. This will create a 48 by 48 image in .png format. So export it. Then I change the number to 32. And then I export it again, but I need to change the file name to PL32. Save, and then export it. Need to change to 16. I type in 16. And then change the file name now to PL16. And then save it, and then export it. This finishes the step to convert the 300 by 300 image file to 48 by 48, 32 by 32, and 16 by 16. Let's return to the slides. Now, I'm going to talk about step 3 to convert the image file to an ICO icon file. First, we need to find an icon editor. It is not hard. There are a lot of web-based icon editor or desktop icon editor. That's not a problem. I will pick this one, Junior Icon Editor, and you can download from here. Let me click free download and then save and run. It is quite a small file, so the installation is quite quick. And select file association. I don't want to associate with PNG because PNG has different purpose. So click next. And finish. And then I want to edit the 48 image file. Click OK. Then I open. And when I open, I need to use PNG image file. And then I should choose this directory. I should choose the directory I want to upload my file in to Inkscape. And then find this 48 by 48 PNG file, load in, and then I save as. I want to convert it to icon file. So right here, let me save it and change the name to 4848 icon file. Now, let me click this property, customize, change icon, and browse. Pick this PL48 icon.ico, and it's in. Click OK. Apply. And OK. Now, my desktop directory has a new icon using that icon image. And you can convert other image size, 16 by 16 for the Favicon file, or any other size. Thank you. Bye.